Ever felt like you're fighting a losing battle against weight loss? You're not alone. Many of us struggle with the balance of dieting, finding time for exercise, and the frustration of not seeing results. It's a challenge, but it's not unbeatable. Imagine if there was a way to shift the odds in your favor. Well, there is. Introducing Liv Pure, the weight loss supplement that's helped millions reclaim their health and confidence. Don't let the scale control your life. Take charge with Liv Pure weight loss supplement. So, what makes Liv Pure stand out in the crowded world of weight loss supplements? Well, one of the biggest benefits of Liv Pure is that it's packed with natural ingredients. Not only does this make it a safer option for your weight loss journey, but it also means that every capsule is filled with nutrients your body needs to thrive. Furthermore, Liv Pure is known for its ability to boost metabolism. This means that it helps your body burn fat more efficiently, aiding you in your weight loss journey. But that's not all. Liv Pure also has energy-enhancing properties. This could give you that extra pep in your step, making your workouts more enjoyable and effective. In essence, Liv Pure doesn't just help you lose weight, it transforms your weight loss journey into something easier and more enjoyable. It's about more than shedding pounds. It's about embracing a healthier, more vibrant lifestyle. With Liv Pure, you're not just losing weight, you're gaining a healthier, more vibrant lifestyle. So, let's recap. Why should you choose Liv Pure? This supplement is packed with natural ingredients, offering a safe and effective way to assist in your weight loss journey. Beyond shedding pounds, Liv Pure promotes overall health, helping to overcome the common struggles associated with weight loss. Click the link in the description for more information and join millions who have found success with Liv Pure. Remember, your weight loss journey is a marathon, not a sprint, and Liv Pure is here to help you every step of the way.